Hey, it's Rick. Welcome back to my channel, Rick Loves Maria. Well, let's see. I'm sorry I haven't posted any videos in a while. I've been working hard. Um, Winter is hanging on. What can I say? Everywhere I go, I encounter winter weather still. Even though we're in March, I'm still encountering. Is it March? Shit. Yeah, March. Today's the 27th. I'm still encountering winter everywhere I go. Tired of winter. I'm ready for spring. I got Maria this purse that she wanted. It, she was really uh, she was really liking it when she was at the store. So I managed to get that for her for our anniversary last week. Well, this week my employer sends out uh, like flowers that says happy anniversary. Okay, that's nice of them. However, they also sent for some reason a card that says happy birthday. Not to Maria, but with the name of my ex on it. Where the hell did they get that information? I can't believe they screwed this up. JB Hunt screwed this up so bad. They put happy birthday, Michelle, and sent it in a card to my house. And of course, Maria opened it, and she's not happy about it. I don't blame her. I just can't figure out where the hell they got that information. I haven't been married to Michelle for more than 6 years now. Right? Has it been that 6? 1, 2. Anyway, they fucked up. And I'm trying to get it straightened out so that it never happens again. I don't want a damn card showing up every year at my house with my ex's name on it. What the hell are they trying to do to me? They're screwing up my relationship is what they're doing. So anyway, I'm fighting that freaking mess. Can't believe they screwed that up. So anyway, I'm worried about Zoe. She's got some dental appointments coming up, and she's got to have some dental work done. It's not gonna be pleasant. But I am ready for spring. I'm sitting here waiting for the New York load to come out. Can't get an internet connection on the tablet. So, anyway, what else is going on? I can't think of a whole lot. You know, just work, eat, sleep, work, lots of eating, paying the bills. I gotta go on a diet. I gotta get some exercise and lose some weight. But damn, they're causing me too much stress. Screwing up, fucking up like that, not helping me out. So anyway, Maria bought me a new microwave, but I can't seem to get it to heat anything. I don't know why it's not working. I tried heating a sausage, egg, and cheese, or bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit, and it wouldn't even melt the cheese. So I don't know if I'm gonna have to take it back to Walmart or not. It's not working. Terrible. Stupid stuff, man. Just stupid shit. Grass looks nice and green, which means the days are getting longer. But I stopped yesterday. I had a backhaul to pull out of Janesville, Wisconsin, and they filled the trailer up, and they didn't have space in there to put the pallet jack. I told them I have to take the pallet jack back. Couldn't fit it on the back. It stuck out 6 inches. I couldn't get the doors closed with it sticking out. Had to take one pallet off in order to get the pallet jack on and haul it back. So they had to redo all the paperwork. I sat there till 1:30. Because they had to redo all the damn paperwork. So that was a nightmare yesterday. Didn't get down here until after 9 o'clock. So, I don't know, things keep screwing up. Just little stupid shit. She just keeps fucking up. Not much else I can say. Bad. People just, I don't know where the hell people keep screwing up at. But people keep screwing up. Make it stop. Too cold. I hate the cold. I'd rather be in the Philippines where it's nice and warm. I know Maria and Zoe would rather be over there too. I wish I could make it happen now. Alright, well, all I got's whining and complaining and bitching today. That's all I got. Because they keep fucking up. Alright. Y'all stay safe. See you, bye.